Hi, I'm Nicolas Abano from Build with Nick. We are here in Landsdale in a French modern house. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 2 garage. The black configuration, it is a 14 by 32 lot with a 404 square meters land and 262 square meters house area. Let's have a look. We are here in the master bedroom. As you can see, we have the accent wall with a touch of French modern design. I super love the design and the elegancy of this house. The square meters area of the master bedroom is approximately 4 by 4. I love the view of the house because this one has a massive window which adds a security as well. Let's go to the other side of the master bedroom. We have a very spacious walk-in closet, a combination of his and her, and they have a bit of storage room on the top of the walk-in closet. Right next to the walk-in closet, we have the 2 double sink that can be used for his and her, and a separate toilet as well. Right next to the master bedroom is a double garage with a 6 by 6 meter size with a 28 core ceiling. Before we go to the common area, let's visit the home theater. The home theater is a 4 by 4 size, perfect for family gathering and a sleepover. Opposite the home theater, we have this clever internet nook right next to the kitchen and dining table. And the most exciting part of the house is the common area, which are the kitchen, dining table, and the living room. The kitchen is massive. We have a wonderful splashback window with a lots of cupboards alone and a massive bench top. Right next to the amazing kitchen is the living room and dining room, which compose a 7.5 by 5.3 meters with a luxury look of French modern design. Right next to the common area, we have 3 more bedrooms. They are 3 by 4 with a double sliding door and a massive window with a stunning French modern design. In the middle of bedroom 3 and 4, we have this amazing guest bathroom with a separated bath area and a toilet area. Right next to the common bathroom area is your spacious laundry area with a wide double linen, amazing bench top, and a lot of cupboards. The last part is the alfresco area with a 3 by 3.5 space, perfect for family gathering and outdoor living. Alright guys, that's it for the house tour. If you want to visit this house tour, feel free to message us on Facebook, Build with Nick, or in Instagram, Build with Nick, and I'm more than happy to show this house to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to smash that like button. I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye!